Could you give us your name, please?
Dr. Amanda Lampton.
Okay, Dr. Lampton, tell us what company you're with.
I work with Systems Technology Incorporated.
All right, and tell us about the technology you brought with you today.
So the technology that we brought today is a method to predict the handling qualities ratings of aircraft. So there's been, a desire for this gold standard, or a way to take disparate measures and put that through some sort of algorithm and come out with a rating, with the thought that this would reduce the man hours that are needed and the flight hours that are needed to assess a new aircraft or a new improvement or a new system within an aircraft, and how the pilot can interact with that aircraft. And we came up with this machine learning algorithm that can do that. So it's something that has never been done before. We've never had this correlation or this connection between all of these different measures to this final rating. And we're very excited about it.
What has been one of the benefits of being at the showcase event?
The showcase event, we are interacting with more of the NavAir folks that could benefit from not just this technology, but several other of our Navy SBIRs. And to really describe kind of the value proposition that it would have with various parts of the fleet. And having these NavAir folks that may have heard about us peripherally, like getting that interaction directly, and having test events coming up that we can invite them to see these technologies in action, has been a huge benefit, and something that we weren't quite sure that we would get, because we're kind of more software oriented and human vehicle systems oriented, rather than having some physical widget that we could sell to the warfighter. So having that interaction with NavAir, particularly, and some ONR and PMA folks as well, has been a huge benefit, we think.
What has been the biggest benefit going through the Navy STP program?
It helps us get our act together on the marketing side. So being a small business, we've been around for a very long time. We're 65 years old, and it's only been in the last, decade or so that we've gone beyond just kind of the research projects and doing small contracts here and there to wanting to actually commercialize something and get something out into the fleet and put some of those materials together to hand out and to distribute, rather than just the technical conferences. So STP, for again, not just this program, but for some other programs that we've done, has helped us make some of those connections, as well as pulling all the materials together and figuring out what that looks like and what the process is for this program.